Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to incorporate video inside text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here's how you can achieve this effect. Firstly, ensure that you have added a video clip to your timeline, which you want to display within your text. Next, select the Type tool from the toolbar and use it to create a text layer on top of your video clip. Type in the desired text for your project. Now, head over to the Essential Graphics panel. Here you can make any adjustments or modifications to the appearance of your text. However, it's essential to note that this effect works best with a bold, large-style font to ensure clarity and visibility. After customizing your text, navigate to the Effects panel. Look for the Track Matte key effect and apply it to your video clip layer. Once applied, access the Effect Controls panel. Expand the drop-down menu labeled Matte within the Track Matte key effect settings. From the drop-down menu, choose the layer on which your text is located. This will create a track matte, allowing the video to appear only within the boundaries of the text. And that's it! You've successfully added video inside text in Adobe Premiere Pro. This effect can add a dynamic and engaging visual element to your video projects. Feel free to experiment with different fonts, text sizes, and video clips to achieve the desired look for your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Adobe Premiere Pro tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.